Welcome back everyone. Let us study about speed. Speed is distance covered by a moving object in unit time. So let's say the distance is 100 kilometer. If a car is running, uh, if a car has covered a distance of 100 kilometer in 1 hour, then speed will be 100 kilometer per hour. So this is speed. Speed is basically a certain distance covered by a particular object or vehicle in a unit time, that is speed. And unit of speed is meter per second, or we can write like this. So SI unit is meter per second. Okay, we can compare the speed of different vehicles. For example, a bicycle takes more time with comparison to bike. If a bicycle covers the distance of 5 kilometer maybe in 20 to 30 minutes, then if we talk about a bike, it may take 10 minutes to cover the same distance, and a car may take only 5 minutes to cover the same distance. If we talk about a jet plane, it can cover a distance of 1 kilometer in 1 second. So 5 kilometer in 5 seconds. So speed is basically distance covered by any vehicle in a certain unit time. Okay, and there is an indicator is installed, an instrument is installed in vehicle that shows the speed of a particular vehicle, that is called speedometer. It indicates the speed. You must have seen in when your parent runs car or bike, whatever it is, then it indicates speed, sometimes 50 kilometer per hour, sometimes 80 kilometer per hour. And while moving, while going somewhere, the indicators are also there. Are some road marks are you can observe on the road sides of the road, and that road mark shows the speed limit. The speed limit should be this, it should not be increased. Okay, so that is all about speed. Now odometer. Odometer shows the distance traveled by a vehicle, how much distance a vehicle has covered while running, while going from one place to another place. So odometer shows distance covered by vehicle. If we need to check the distance while going somewhere, then what we have to do? First, read the reading of odometer. Already the distance that is has covered, already that it had covered किया हुआ है इसने. Then the after next write, again read the reading of odometer. Then subtracting the final reading with the previous reading, you can get the distance covered by a vehicle. Okay, after getting the distance, we can calculate the average speed. Average speed is total distance covered by a vehicle in in a certain time, that is total time taken. So basically average speed is total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance we can get by reading of odometer, and total time we can check the time in watch, and accordingly we can get the average speed of a vehicle. So the speed that is showing, you can see the speed is fluctuating, sometimes 50, sometimes 80 kilometer per hour. So average speed can be measured in that way, by reading the total distance, dividing it by total time taken. Okay, now let us discuss about motion. An object is said to be motion when its position changes with comparison to time and its surrounding. Okay, for example, if you are sitting in your school bus and you are going to your school, so for your parents who has come to see of you, for him or her, you are in motion because you school bus had changed position. Okay, and for your friend who is sitting along with you, for your friend your position is same, you are not changing position. For him or her, you are not in motion. So motion depends upon the time taken as well as its surrounding. Stationary object, that is stationary, whatever the things in its surrounding are stationary objects. So motion is relative, it depends upon the spectator as well, whether he is sitting with you or he is outside from the vehicle. If he is sitting with you, then for him or her you are not in motion. If he is outside from the vehicle, then for him or her you are in motion. Okay, it can be slow or fast, that depends upon the time taken to cover a certain distance by any object. Suppose a certain distance covered by an object in less time, or certain distance covered by an object in more time, so that shows the motion of object is slow or fast.